What up, everybody? eHonda here. Just made a purchase on Palmetto State Armory on Easter Sunday. Today is Wednesday, May 1st. I am just now receiving my order, so thank you very much, Palmetto State Armory, for taking so damn long. But as you can see, it has been delivered. As of 1:49, it is now 2:10. That was 20 minutes ago. I just got out of the shower. So, let the unboxing video commence. Oh, God, that thing's heavy, man. That's like 60 pounds of freaking ammo there. Dear Lord, man. UPS guy needs to be careful. Maybe that's why it weighs so much. I'm not going to be too critical. But, let's see if we can get this bad boy open with one hand. Number one. Got our little order form here. What do we got? I don't want to show that. So, Magtech 50. Oh, these are 100 per thing. No, I thought they were 50. 51, 52, 50, 3, 54, 55. Yep, they're 50 per. It's 500 of the Magtech 9mm. 7.6239. These are 40 each. We've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 4, 28, 32, 36, 480 rounds for the AK. Let's get this one open. Alright. These bad boys are 120 round ammo cans. I bought these so that I could store my ammo a little bit better, because I've got a big box that I'm going to put all the 223 in and use these for like 22, 45, 9mm, 357, whatever else. But that's 120, 240, 360, 480, 600 for the ARs. Nice little haul, don't you guys think? Let me know. eHonda out.